Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned juicer, these should be added to your rotation. In this video, I'm sharing 7 of the best juice recipes for health, wellness, and immunity. Let's get juicy, people. Starting it out is this deep, rich, crisp, and invigorating green monster juice. Apple, celery, spinach, and cucumber. The combination of celery and cucumber helps flush out toxins and support kidney function. Spinach and apples provide vitamins A, C, and E, which combat stress and help support immune health. The high water content of cucumber and celery helps keep you hydrated while promoting healthy skin. You need to try this juice today. This juice is extra smooth with a velvety texture, which makes it very nice to sip on. The natural sweetness of the apple and cantaloupe balances out the tartness of the lemon, creating a very pleasant flavor profile. Lemons provide vitamin C. The apples contain polyphenols, which help combat stress and support immune health. This juice is delicious as it is easy. Carrot and I have a weird relationship. I like to cook carrots. I don't like raw carrots. But the carrots in this juice give it the base, the foundation. It's refreshing. It's a vibrant, deep orange color. It's nourishing. It helps your skin. Carrots and oranges are loaded with beta-carotene and vitamin A, which contributes to healthy, glowing skin and your complexion. And this juice is easy. You only have to cut up the oranges. Some people juice with the peel on. I take the peel off. You can do what you want. It does make it a little more bitter if you leave the peel on. This juice is not hard to make. It's easy and it's very, very, very refreshing. If you are interested in more recipes like this, if you want more juicing tips, please check out my juicing guide. It's a free guide. It's a PDF link below. Go in the description, click on it, and I'll send it to you today. The beauty of this juice is in its simplicity. This particular combination helps flush out toxins. It supports liver function, and it hydrates the body with essential nutrients. It's spicy, sweet, citrusy, and tart all at the same time. If you were going to pick one juice to start with, this is the one. I'm a big fan of keeping my juice recipes really, really simple. Apple, ginger, and spinach is easy. It's easy and it's energizing. It helps to boost immunity, aid in digestion, and enhances energy levels. The natural sugars from the apples combined with the iron from the spinach help sustain energy throughout the day. So it's detoxifying, it's invigorating, and it just tastes good. I always like to use Fuji apples in my juices because I like a little sweetness in every sip. You're gonna be amazed at how delicious it is. This is without a doubt my favorite juice recipe using beets of all time. It's so complex in its flavor profile. I use the Fuji apple, so you got that hint of sweetness. You have the bitterness from the celery. You use the citrus from the lime. It all comes together in a nice, flavorful dance that's a party in your mouth, right? It's energy boosting, it's earthy, it's nutrient dense. It's also very detoxifying. The combination helps support liver function, and it can help flush out toxins from your body. It's also hydrating. It's a high water content, and the essential nutrients keep your body hydrated and support your overall wellness. You have to try this recipe. This is the easiest juice you will ever make in your life. You're going to be amazed at how refreshing, sweet, and hydrating it is. It also aids in digestion. Pineapple contains an ingredient, an enzyme that aids in digestion and reduces bloating. Cantaloupe has fiber that promotes gut health. So these two come together to form a very simple, very powerful, very refreshing, immune boosting, hydrating sip of goodness. And as always, if you're looking for more tips or recipes, pick up my free juicing guide. The PDF is linked below.